How to add gift card to H&M app. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this detailed tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to add your gift cards on the H&M. Make sure to pay closer attention to each step in order to successfully complete the process. In order to begin, open your preferred browser and then after go to hm.com. This will lead you to the official page of H&M. Once you're logged in, select the products you wish to purchase and add them to your cart. For instance, I'm going to add this white high jeans in my shopping cart. Here you can choose the color you would like to purchase, and then after you can also select the sizes you want to have. After that, simply click on Add to Bag option over here and head over to the shopping bag, which is located at the top right corner of the screen. Then you will be taken to a cart page where you need to proceed by clicking on the Continue to Checkout option. On this checkout page, scroll down and select the payment option. Before the Add Gift Card option in the payment section, click on Add Gift Card over here, and after that, you have to enter your gift card number and your PIN code, and then press the Apply button at the bottom of the page, and your gift card will be now added as a payment method. You can also apply for any coupon codes if you have them. Finally, click on the payment option to complete your purchase using the gift card. I hope this detailed tutorial was helpful. If you found it useful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.